The Otteri Lake is situated inside Arinar Anna Zoological Park in Vandalur near Chennai city. With nearly 21 species of birds, the Otteri Lake is now turning out to be a bird watcher's paradise. This has been a remarkable turnaround for a water body that had dried up totally until it was restored about 3 months ago. According to a bird census in March, there were 3,481 birds of 21 different species. Open-billed storks, night herons, little egrets, little cormorants, darters, white-breasted kingfishers, and cattle egrets are some of the birds that visit the lake now. Several new species like the grey pelican and a whistling teal have also been spotted. The lake was restored around 3 months ago after a year-long effort by the zoo officials. The water body was badly affected during Cyclone Varda, and in the following years it had dried up due to inadequate rainfall. Now, the lake has become one of the major attractions in the zoo among visitors, especially school students and bird watchers. With the rising temperatures in the city, the brimming waters of the Otteri Lake are a sight for sore eyes. The zoo officials now expect flocks of ducks to make the lake their home soon.